Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
Here we're gonna make a cat, which is the orange cat, and for that I'm using a orange color on my thumb. As well as on my index finger. So first I'll take an impression of thumb, which is here. This is became a body of this, and the small portion here on the upper side will be the head of this cat. Wow, it's looking nice. I will take a help of the sketch pen and do the outlines. So here is the cat, which is looking a little down. And here's the whiskers. And the cute ears. It's here. And some of the stripes on her body. Is the legs. And it's a nice fluffy tail. Here we'll add some background here, and can create a small story also here. So let's see, we can show the cat here, and cat's favorite is mouse gonna come here. And for that I'm using my little finger. So here I'm gonna show the mouse. So I'll make this is the mouse body, and again I'm gonna use a little bit on the top, this color, so it's gonna become a head of this mouse. And now you already know, when the mouse see the cat, what he's gonna do. It's gonna run. So for that I'm just showing here is the cute pop-up eyes, and here is the nose, and it's a big mouth open here. And these are the cute ears of the mouse, and he already started running this direction, so his hands are like this. And here he is running, so the running like this. Some, and here is the tail of mouse. Ooh, is running, so some dots in there. See, it's a nice picture is ready with the thumbprint.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!